Hey Vikas, I've been hearing a lot about SIPs. Are they all the same?
Not at all, Sapna. SIP or systematic investment plan is just the way you invest, like setting aside a fixed amount regularly. The real difference lies in the mutual fund you choose to invest in.
Oh, so the returns depend on the fund, not just the fact that it's an SIP.
Exactly. SIPs help you stay disciplined and invest consistently, but the fund strategy and performance determine the returns.
That makes sense. So, should I focus more on choosing the right fund based on my goals?
Spot on. Think about your goals, risk appetite, and time frame. Choosing a suitable fund and starting an SIP can help you work towards achieving your financial goals.
Thanks, Vikas. This really clears up my confusion. Time to research some funds.
That's the spirit, Sapna. A little planning goes a long way.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.